Hello YouTubers, once again, welcome to my channel, Cripples Animal Crawlers. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe to get all my new content. Today we're talking about the cockatiel bird. It's a form of a parrot. They have a pleasant voice. The male cockatiels can be very vocal. They spend most of their time singing. That's what sometimes people like about cockatiels. Female cockatiels, on the other hand, don't really make too much noise unless they're trying to contact. For example, when they want out of their cage. Cockatiels are very relaxed, calm birds. Wow, that's amazing. Very relaxed and calm birds. They will sit on your shoulder while you do homework or chores. They love to be pretty. A cockatiel will always be preening his feathers. Cockatiels are clingy birds also. Cockatiels rarely try to defend themselves. They get bullied by other birds. Most of these cockatiels are good for family pets. They get along with everybody. Here are some common mistakes some owners make with parrots slash cockatiels. Feeding them seeds all day, not giving them enough toys to play with, etc. Leaving them caged up is also a common mistake because parrots are very social and they need to have a few hours a day out of their cage. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. If you found value in this video, also hit subscribe and ring the notification bell and you will get all my new videos upon release. These birds are cute in their cage there.